Introduction to Trello, Gmail, and Zapier integration.
The popular project management tool, and Gmail is widely used for email communication. By using Zapier, you can connect these two platforms and automate project update emails. This integration saves time and ensures everyone is informed without manual effort. Let's walk through the steps to set up automated project update emails from Trello to Gmail.
Setting up your Zapier account.
To begin, sign up for a free Zapier account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you'll access the Zap editor. Here, you'll create automated workflows called Zaps. Each Zap consists of a trigger, an event that starts the automation, and an action which completes the workflow. In this case, Trello will be your trigger, and Gmail will be your action.
Connecting Trello and selecting a trigger.
In the Zap editor, choose Trello as your trigger app. Select the event that will prompt the automation, such as when a new card is added to a board or when a card moves to a specific list. Connect your Trello account if prompted, then follow the instructions to pick the board and list you want to monitor for project updates.
Configuring Gmail as the action step.
Next, add Gmail as the action app. Choose the action event, such as send email. Connect your Gmail account, then customize the email details. You can add subject lines, recipients, and include Trello card information in the body of the email. This ensures your project updates deliver the right information automatically.
Testing and activating the workflow.
Before activating your Zap, test it to ensure everything works as expected. Zapier will send a test email using sample Trello data. If the test succeeds, turn on your Zap. Project updates will now flow automatically from Trello to Gmail, keeping your team informed and your workflow efficient.
Tips for optimizing your workflow.
For the best results, consider creating dedicated Trello lists for major updates and using filters in Gmail to organize incoming notifications. You can also customize your Zap to include attachments, mention specific team members, or set up automated replies. Regularly review your workflow to ensure it matches your project's evolving needs.